Welcome to the MPC Lounge. In this tutorial, we're going to have a listen to the brand new MPC expansion pack, NuSkillz, produced by the incredible guys at Raw Cutz, bringing you the authentic sound of 90s hip-hop and R&B, straight inside your MPC Live X or desktop software. You can also import all of these kits directly into your new Akai Force. So to access this content, very straightforward. We'll go over to our menu, to our browser, and what we can do is select our expansion pack, and you'll see the graphics, which is called NuSkillz. And now you can actually browse all of the programs which you can actually audition in real time. The great thing about this feature is that you can hear all the kits before you preload, and then you can find the kind of flavor that you want. Now I've auditioned a bunch of kits, let's just click them here, press load and load them straight into MPC, and then we can go and make some beats. Inside NuSkillz, you're going to find over 50 professional kits that have all been engineered to perfection, giving you incredible kicks, snares, hats, one-shot stabs, bass one-shots, vocal and melodics, so you could just start creating your beats straight away, all assigned inside an MPC program. As you can hear, I'm using all the different types of colors which are relevant to the type of sound. I've got bass one-shots on my green, purple I've got my one-shot stab sounds like Rhodes, and then my kick and snares and hats at the bottom. And this layout is the same on every kit that you load up inside MPC. So now we found our groove, let's start recording. That's working. Let's add some quantize. Let's make this swing a bit. You just can't beat this era of beat making. Groove, let's go to our track mutes, start dropping them down, bring them back. So this is what makes MPC so classic. Now you can hear how an expansion pack with these kind of quality sounds can really get you moving fast when you want to come up with some ideas. So let's create another sequence, and this time I'm going to use the 16 levels. So let's find a sound. Let's use that Rhodes. And we'll tune this across the pads. And what's great about this is that I can make a completely new melody. So I lay my drums, 2, 3, 4. You know, these bass sounds as well. There's so much funk on these. It reminds me of some Mary J tracks. well. So many musical instruments in NuSkillz. Track mutes. You can see how much fun, you know, you can have just by using some of these kits. You know, we've just used 2 kits directly out of the 50. And again, they're just laid straight out on the pads and you can just start creating straight away. Such a simple workflow. You know, and as we go through these pads as well, like I said, we've always got the kick and snares signed at the bottom with the hats. Everything that's purple is melodic stabs, one shots, greens, vocals. So we can easily do finger drumming as well. You know, you always know where your sounds are. Again, just want to shout out to the guys at Raw Cutz for putting this one together. If you want to hear any of their other collection, they've also got Raw Crates and Raw Cutz available on MPC Workflow.